Join the challenge of mastering DIY sugar waxing for hair removal, all while keeping it super relaxing with some ASMR vibes. How to master DIY sugar waxing at home for effective hair removal, while enjoying a relaxing ASMR experience. Many people struggle with harsh hair removal methods that irritate the skin, leading to a need for a natural and soothing alternative. The constant shaving, waxing, and plucking can cause red bumps, ingrown hairs, and even skin darkening, making it difficult to maintain smooth skin. This is particularly frustrating for those who have sensitive skin, as harsh chemicals and rough textures can exacerbate skin issues. In pursuit of a solution, we often try new products and techniques, only to be disappointed by the results. It's time to explore a gentler, more effective approach to hair removal. Sugar waxing is a natural, nourishing method that not only removes unwanted hair, but also exfoliates and moisturizes the skin. With the right ingredients, you can achieve silky smooth skin without harsh chemicals. Unlike traditional waxing, sugar waxing is gentler on the skin, reducing the risk of irritation and ingrown hairs. Sugar is a natural humectant, drawing moisture into the skin, and its gentle exfoliating properties remove dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin. With regular use, sugar waxing can lead to thicker, softer skin, and even reduce the regrowth of unwanted hair. We'll be using granulated sugar, water, and lemon juice to create the perfect sugar wax. This combination provides an ideal balance of sweetness and acidity, making it easy to remove unwanted hair while nourishing the skin. To get started, simply mix the ingredients together until you achieve a smooth, pliable paste. We'll explore the simple ingredients needed for sugar waxing, demonstrate how to make the sugar wax, and show you the application process step by step. From prepping the skin to removing the wax, we'll cover every detail to ensure a successful and relaxing experience. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of your own home. Next, we'll move on to the application process, where we'll demonstrate how to apply the sugar wax to the skin and remove it for smooth, silky results. This is where the ASMR magic happens, as the sounds and visuals of the wax being applied and removed will have you feeling relaxed and tranquil. Firsthand, the satisfying moment when the wax is pulled off, revealing smooth, hair-free skin. This is often the most exciting part of the process, as you get to see the immediate results of your hard work. Watch as we reveal the satisfying moment of removing the wax and the immediate results on the skin, showcasing the effectiveness of sugar waxing. The before and after results are truly astonishing, with smooth, silky skin being the ultimate reward. If you enjoyed this video, check out our other DIY beauty tips, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.